Hello, I'm Chef, I'm Will, and this is my playground. I'm going to make a soup that comes really quickly together, and this has gotta be one of my favorite soup in the world. I have this when I am living in the Bay Area from this restaurant called Shanghai Dumpling King. I'll link it in the comment if in case you wanna check it out. And I always go there and get xiaolongbao or dumplings, like soup dumpling buns. And I always have this soup next to it. So I figure, how can I make it at home as well? It's really two ingredients, tofu and this shredded mustard green. It might be hard to come by, so I'll also link it in the comments below if you want to find it. It comes in the frozen block, and you just thaw it, and it's ready to go. And I'm using chicken stock today. I just like having that flavor. But if you want to do this completely vegetarian, absolutely fine to use vegetable broth. The only thing to keep in mind is that you don't want to use any vegetable broth that has tomato base in it because it's not meant to be sour. So you want a clear broth when you can. And once it comes to boil, you just dump in the tofu and the shredded green and it just comes together. We'll be right back. It's ready for the tofu. The tofu goes in. I just cut into little cubes. You can use firm tofu, soft tofu, it doesn't really matter. It's your choice. But if you don't want to make it into like tofu scramble, maybe start with the firm tofu. And then you just go in the green. And once it comes to boil, that's it. We'll be back and taste how it comes out. It has now come to a boil. And the last step is to add in a bit of slurry, which is cornstarch and water, to thicken it up, and then we'll be ready to serve. It is now ready. Just gonna season it with salt. You can see it's nice and thick, glossy, and it's ready to serve. So I'm ready for another bowl. Cover for now. I'm just gonna have a little bit of white pepper on top. It's good to go. How about I give it a little taste and see if this is how I remembered it. Okay. It's lovely to see the color combination where the white kind of emerging in that nice glossy emerald green. Okay, let's have a taste. That's exactly what I'm looking for. A little bit of grassiness, earthiness, combined with that chicken broth coming through and the softness of the tofu. You need this. You need this on a cold day. I hope you give it a try. Until next time, keep on cooking. Thank you for sticking around till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video, the recipe, and also get to try out a little bit. Feel free to join the community, leave your comments or suggestions down below. Any new ideas for new recipe you want me to try or want me to test out, happy to do it here for you. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe so you can always hear the latest from me. Thank you for dropping by The Wok Life.